What if I told you that just 20% of your regular income could make you dangerous? Not to others, but to the system that wants you broke, dependent, and distracted. You don't need to be rich to win. You just need to stop wasting what you already have. This is wealth warfare. This is where boys become men. Let's go. The wake up call. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't make enough, but because they don't use what they do have correctly. They get paid, and within 48 hours, it's gone. Uber Eats, Netflix, new kicks they don't really need. They tell themselves, when I make more money, I'll save, I'll invest. But that day never comes. Why? Because they never trained themselves to manage small money. So when big money comes, it vanishes even faster. The 20% rule, what it is? Here's the brutal truth. You don't need to invest 80% of your regular income. You don't need to go broke pretending to be rich. You just need to weaponize that 20%. That means every time money comes in, automatically slice out 20% and treat it like it's gone. But not gone into saving account where it dies. Not gone into rainy day box you dip into where you are bored. It's gone into war. Into weapons that fight for your freedom. Even while you sleep. Where to weaponize? See with real examples. First is skills. Let's say you make $1,000 per month. Take $200 and buy a copywriting course or any skill that you like the most. Books on negotiation, a subscription to Skillshare or Masterclass, or any platform that you comfortable with. Paid mentorships or communities. Learn a skill that prints money. $200 today can become $2,000 per month in 6 months. Second is assets. ETFs, index funds start with $50 per month. Digital products, ebooks, Notion templates, stocks you actually understand, small dropshipping test runs, crypto, but only 5%, treat it like it Vegas. Third is tools. Good mic for content creation if you're making content. Canva Pro for better branding. AI tools like ChatGPT Pro or Pictory. You are not spending here. You are building an arsenal here. Weaponizing versus wasting. See the example breakdown. See, scenario A. You spend your 20% on coffee, weekend fun, and dopamine. You feel good for 10 minutes, but broke for 10 years. Here's the scenario B. You take the same 20%, invest it into editing skills. Like for example, you learn to make reels, charge $100 per video, and land 3 clients. Now that $200 per month turns into $3,000 per month freelance income. It's not magic, it's math, it's intent. Psychology of the 20% rule. Most people never do this because they fear what if I lose that money? What if it doesn't work it out? What if I need it later? Let me flip that. What if you keep doing what you are doing now and nothing ever changes? That's the real risk. Men who win are not men who never fail. They are men who strategically gamble with purpose. When you weaponize income, you build courage, and courage brings cash. How the rich use it. See with insider examples. You think millionaires save every dollar? Wrong, they weaponize it. They use leverage, borrow at 4%, invest at 12%. They start companies, hire experts, scale brands. They invest in people before profits. Mark this sentence. They invest in people before profits. Jeff Bezos didn't save money. He spent wisely. Elon Musk bet PayPal money on SpaceX and slept on factory floors. They weaponize their wins. Now they dominate industries. You don't need $1 billion to start. You need $100 and the balls to move. Here's exactly what to do next. Step 1 is automate the 20%. Set up your account to move 20% to a separate fund as soon as you get paid. Step 2 is choose your battlefield. What will you attack? High income skill, digital brand, dropshipping store, video editing, pick one. Invest, learn, earn, reinforce. Put in $200. Get one course, apply it relentlessly. Make $600, put $200 back into level up. And this is how warriors build empires. There is a man inside you dying to be powerful. He doesn't need more money, he needs clarity and courage. Weaponize your income, control your fate. This is Wealth Warfare. Subscribe if you are done playing small. See you again.